Hi beekeepers, Jenna here from Mann Lake. I am here today to film the Northern Beekeepers Buzz for December. So I wanted to come out into our bee yard just to give you a few tips on checking your hives in the winter time. So as you can see, we've already had a snowfall here. I know that there are areas throughout our region that have gotten quite a bit more snow. I will say I'm a little bit jealous, and I hope all of you are out there enjoying that snowfall. I can't wait until we get a little bit more on the ground here. So one thing that you really need to be aware of in the winter time for your bees is keeping your entrance clear. So if you get a big snowfall or freezing rain, anything that could potentially block your entrance, just come out and make sure that there's no snow in front so the bees can come out. So what they're going to do in the winter time, when we get those warmer, calm days and the sun is out, they're going to do what's called a cleansing flight. So they're going to basically come out right in front of the hive, do their thing, go to the bathroom, go back in the hive. So it's very important that you keep your entrances clear in the winter time, because even though it's cold on those rare days where it's sunny and nice, they may come out of the hive and do that. Another thing that you can do for your bees in the winter, because I know it's concerning when you're a new beekeeper and the wind is blowing and there's snow on the ground and you're just concerned about what's happening in your hive, is if you just come out and give a good knock on the side of the hive and listen, you can hear the bees buzzing. Now, from this, it sounds like they're still in the lower box. I mean, it's December, it's early in the winter, so that's good. As we move through the winter, your bees are going to move up the hive. And once they get up towards the top, especially as we get into early spring, you may want to pop your cover off just to make sure that they don't need extra food stores. So we did put some winter patties on here, so I'm confident that they're good right now. But that's just a couple of things that you should be doing with your hives in the winter time. Outside of that, winter is a great time to just catch up on your reading, do your research, learn some new beekeeping techniques, and also get out there and maybe take a beginner's class or just a class that's specific to your area. And also, if you're thinking about attending the North American Honeybee Expo, there's going to be a lot of really great courses there for you to check out. And stop by our booth. I'd love to meet you. I'll be there, so stop in and say hello. And if you like this video, like and subscribe. Certainly leave comments. We would love to offer content that is going to be suited to you, so we're open to any suggestions. Have a great day.